I am Adira Raj from Access Language School. In this lesson, let's discuss about rain. That means some vocabulary that is related to rain. So the first one is drizzle. Drizzle means fine drops of water. So just imagine that you have stepped out of your house and there is no heavy rainfall, but there is fine drops of water that you can feel on your body. Then you would say about it like, it's drizzling outside. Then the next one is downpour. Downpour means heavy rainfall. So just imagine you have stepped out of your house and you are experiencing heavy rainfall outside. Then you would say like, it's crazy downpour outside. That means in similar cases, one is fine drop and the other one is heavy rainfall. And the next one is bucketing down. Bucketing down also means heavy rainfall. So just imagine that due to heavy rainfall, you are late for your work. Then you would say some excuses like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm late for the work because there was bucketing down. Because it was bucketing down there. Okay. The next one is torrential rain. This is a word which is commonly used by the media. That means mainly by the newspapers and by news channels. They won't use words like crazy downpour. Then next is scattered shower. And this word is commonly used by weather forecast people. And they would say like, the city would experience scattered shower today. That means the city would face on and off rain for a short period throughout the day. And the last one is flood. Flood means an overflow of water. That means the streets are full of water and you can't walk through it. So flood is an overflow of water. So these are some words or vocabulary about rain. I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you.